Hey guys, this is a video in my graphing calculator tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set intervals and change the starting point for the table on your TI-84 Plus CE and similar model calculators. I found this to be useful when I had to fill in values for a table during homework or lab. And without further ado, let's get to it. Let's say we have this arbitrary equation y equals 5x squared minus 3x. Using this equation, I have to fill up this table with x values going from 0 to 0.7 with an interval of 0.1. Now I can plug in each value individually into the equation and do this table, but what if I don't want to do that, and that's time consuming? I can use the table feature on my TI-84 Plus CE. Now let's see how we can fill up the table using the TI-84 Plus CE. First, press the y equals button and this screen comes up where you would normally type in equations to be graphed. So next to y1 equals, I'm going to type in the equation 5x squared minus 3x. This is what it looks like. And now instead of just hitting graph, I'm going to press second and the graph button, which will select table. But now you see that my x interval goes up by 1, and that's way too big, and I want to change that. So what I'm going to do is press second and the window button, which has table set on top. So I'm selecting table set, and now I'm going to set the table start. Instead of -1, I'm going to do 0. So I'm just going to type in 0 here, and after I have that number, I'm going to press enter, and that's going to bring the cursor down to delta table, so that will select your interval. And for that, I'm going to say that interval is 0.1 and press enter one more time. And now if I press second, the graph button again, you see that my table starts at 0 and goes up by 0.1. And I can arrow backwards to previous values, and I can always arrow down to get more values. And that's a simple, quick way to fill up a table. I hope this video was helpful. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Check out other videos on my channel, especially the graphing and scientific calculator tutorial series. And until next time, take care guys.